Yeah, that'll fit yours. Take the little dwarf.
I like that. Just bacon.
Just 2 halves. Yeah. So.
The size of them ones. Limited edition. Oh, they'll be Junes.
Oh yeah.
We'll get Junes. Quite good.
Yeah. Bit messy.
What do you think of my sandwich? It's best
It was
sandwich ever.
Bad A's sandwiches in.
Is it A's or Badasses?
Might be Badasses. Milk District in Winter Park. Which
Ninja sandwich, which was
pork belly
pork
in soy glaze.
Spicy as well. Quite spicy. Well, yeah, quite spicy. They're really good. And salad.
Cauliflower.
And they call it flour. And you would take the top.
And I had a Badasses sandwich, which was beef and pork and other crisps, chips in the sandwich. It were basically a chip sandwich, crisp sandwich
Crisp sandwich.
with tots and honey mustard,
Mine were
mayo,
better.
but yours were better.
Mine tasted like Chinese pork.
I'd have that if I went back.
Best sandwich.
When I go back. We're 8:30 now is dry until that next one comes across. You know what? So, you know I said I've got a lot of stuff in my pocket.
Yeah.
I've also got your keys.
You got my keys?
Because they were in the buckle and I thought they were still your car keys, so I took them out. Didn't really check in what they were.
Do you want ice cream? Sea salt with caramel ribbons.
Beer, that one. IPA. Lager. They're all beers.
Brewers series at top there.
Red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive, nothing in sight, forever in flight, follow those lines, we'll make it this time, blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight, oh yeah, we'll make it tonight, yeah. I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do, I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove, no end in sight, just go.
Tree.
That lavender smells nice.
Smells like lavender.
I like that one. Yeah, that's nice. Pineapple. Yeah, you can smell it a bit.
Kind of smells like pineapple but washing.
Out. Do you want out? Candy floss. How much now?
So that comes out like a block. Got long legs for a change.
Why have I got jeans on one leg?
Fancy. Yeah, fancy jeans.
Yeah. Tea, look at these. Yeah. Tea.
Maple donut, chocolate fudge churro.
Oh, big one. Chocolate fudge. Oh, I like them.
Turkish coffee.
How much is that?
$13.49.
You want any?
Oh, what film is this from?
I don't know.
Mary Poppins.
Step all the way forward and then all the way up the space.
salmon and veg. Bread rolls.
Right, oops.
Is that chicken kebab?
Beef steak kebab with rice and mushrooms and onions and chilli.
How are you, Texas?
Very good, that. Steak kebab tasted like a barbecue, and it was cheap as well.
Is it warm enough for you?
I got a right sweat on.
What is it now?
6.46 and real feels 39.
Oh, 41.
We must start a diet with 41. We're gonna go fix that now.
That's why we've got that on.